Hello everyone, welcome back to Teks Academy. In previous video, we have discussed about the blend. Today, we're going to learn about the Revolve tool, how the Revolve tool works. So, as you know that this is the property browser, this is the project browser, and this is Ribbon, and these are the tools from which we are making a 2D drawing to 3D drawing. Now, for this time, instead of using reference plane, we'll come to the front view. Now, we'll see how this Revolve tool work for in executing a 2D drawing into 3D drawing. So select the Revolve tool. Now, if I want to draw this kind of round table, so how it is possible? So just simply use this Revolve tool. With the help of this Revolve tool, you can create the round table. Now, select the rectangle or select the line, take some proper height. I'll take the height this time 3 feet. Now, after this, at a distance of 2 feet, I have just draw the base of the table. Now, after this, make sure whenever you are just drawing something, it should be in a proper form. After this, close this boundary and then draw one excess line. After drawing this excess line, say finish and come to your 3D view. Now you will find a table which we have seen here. So we got the output of that particular table. Similarly, like this table, you can create balusters also. So come to your reference plane. From here, you will find the top of the table. So this time I'm just removing the table. Now, again, come to the reference plane. Use your Revolve tool and just design the baluster. So, you know the baluster, which is mostly used in your balconies, interior bungalows, etc. After this, select this, a round profile. After selecting this round profile, you will get the good results. Select the proper dimensions and make a copy of that particular design. Now, again choose the arc, draw it from here to here. Now, again select one profile, line. Take some distance. After that, select the arc. Then, in one profile, with some distance, again select the arc. Make sure whenever you're just drawing, it should be in a correct form. Now, select the line Now make sure that your baluster should be in a correct dimensions. Select it. Make a copy. After this, select the line. Finish your baluster. After this, select the arc and finish your profile. Now you can just finish it. Finish with the axis line. Draw an axis line. Say finish. You can see you got the result. Later on, you can just adjust your balusters. And after selecting this, you can apply the material on it. Select it, go to material, click on these three dots, create a new material, give a name as a baluster. Use as a render appearance. Go to the asset browser. After that, select the appearance library. In that, you will find the different types of materials. So, if you want to apply the stone material, you can select any stone, polished white stone. I'm selecting the polished white stone and say apply. Okay. Make it fine. Make it realistic. So this is how you got the profile of your baluster. And next video, we are going to learn about the sweep profile. Till that time, stay connected and keep learning. Thank you.